Hello, I'm Mark from Espresso Italia. I'd like to show you the differences between the two Seaco machines. The Seaco Syntia is a stainless steel machine. It has 30 icons on the display on the screen. The new Philips Saeco Syntia is a black glossy machine which has an LED interface. The Focus machine has rapid steam, which is the boiler system. It has the panarello arm, has a ceramic grinder, the telescopic 7.8 to 11 centimetre arm with a 1.2 litre water tank, has a 250 gram bean hopper, has the stainless steel boiler, 2 programmable buttons for your coffee lengths, and comes with an Australian 2-year warranty. For any more information that's required, you can go onto the Espresso Italia website. Thank you.